Hey gang, I can very strongly smell something burning somewhere. I don't think it's anything I own, but yeah. Huh? There isn't any tax to pay. Kam's spaceship is in dry dock. Oh damn. Kam's spaceship has had to go to Starbase 416 because of someone barfing up in it. Oh look! Oh look! Hello, soft man. Oh Shmoo, you are the gremlin. Of all of the cats that's a gremlin, it's Shmoo. Shmoo, here's yours here. Here's yours here, the crap one. The problem with tea is it takes ages for him to process it. Like, it takes ages for him to process the thought. Like, the round trip's just too long. And by the time he's got a response from the server again, it's timed out. Get it, T. Get it, T. Yeah, there you go, buddy. Oh, my cat's crashed. Oh, bruv, my cat's crashed. His ping is too high. His ping is absolutely gigantic. That sounds bad out of context. Yeah. Right, the round trip time is just off the scale. Shmoo, why can't you just be normal? What is it with you and being... Softmans, come on, Softmans. Oh, Cam. I said Cam's out of reflex. Shmoo, seriously. Hey. Shmoo, hey. I scared Softman. Tito, while she's chewing that one. There you go, buddy. There you go. Yeah, you're a gremlin. You are an absolute monster. You need to sit for a while and think about what you did to your husband. Okay, let's go. Quick sky check. Yeah, that's the sky. So that's the weather forecast. Here's Tom with sport.